you have a video that accidentally got recorded as a vertical video, but you meant it to be a horizontal video, what would you do in iOS? The good news is that in iOS 13, this is much simpler than before and also much better solution than before. In iOS 13, you can rotate the video without re-encoding the video, which is a big deal. And why is it a big deal? Because you don't lose any quality doing that. In previous versions of iOS and other apps, rotating a file meant re-encoding. So we have an example of a vertical video here of some cliffs that we want to rotate so it becomes a horizontal video. So with just a few taps we can fix this video. So first we want to tap Edit, and then a few adjustment icons are displayed, and the one we want is the rotate and crop icon. So just tap that. And now you will see a few different tools to rotate, flip, and crop the video. So the icon you want to tap is the rotate 90 degrees. Keep in mind, if you rotate the video just a few degrees, the video will re-encode. So it's only if the video is rotated 90 degrees at a time, or if it's flipped when it's not re-encoded. So we'll tap the rotate 90 degrees icon 3 times, so a total of 270 degrees to make our video horizontal. Tap down to finish and your video will be saved with the original quality and also all the extra data such as the GPS location, timestamp, etc.